Hi, welcome to Bell CB. I have a tune-up report for you today for a Galaxy DX-929. This is for Jess in California. Jess in the watt meter over here, he's got 10 watts across the top, coming in at about 5 right there. Got a variable in the front of the radio, brings it down to 1, so you got 1 to 5. 50 watt slug, we'll be reading power right here, 20, and there's 30. Be right before that mark.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Turn the mic gain down here.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Breaker 19 for a radio check. About 19's this radio getting out. Breaker. Appreciate it, driver. Thank you.